Well, we got Tropical Storm Elsa out there. We're about to take a look. It's about 6:30 in the morning here in the Florida Keys. And we got some rain coming. A lot of rain. Sun's just starting to come out, if it does come out at all today. Just a lot of rain and wind today. As you can see, the grass is going to be greener down there. Yeah, Tropical Storm Elsa has hit the Florida Keys. We'll probably get winds of 50 miles an hour today. Get some good gusts coming through here. We'll see. July 4th weekend is over. Everybody's leaving. Rainy.